What's up, everyone? Welcome back to it. Appalachian 8 foraging. We out here. We've had days and days of rain. Believe it or not, this is where I took my mushroom class. This is basically a classroom. The town of Oak Hill built Needles Eye Park, and I think it's amazing. This is where it all started for me, my first area. So if you folks have something like this near you, use it. Okay? This rain is amazing. The mushrooms could be anywhere. Let's just get to walking. Boom, right there. Let's see if someone sees it yet. Let's get on up down here. Right there. Wow. Chicken of the woods. Let's go. We've been here 5 minutes. We've clutched up. Looky here, fellers, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, kids of all ages. Here it is. What a find. That's a good one, too. Fresh. Look how tender and young. Chef, this is coming right for you, bro. These will be in Las Vegas in just a few days. Promise, Chef, I got you right here. I just talked to you this morning. We had a couple laugh and giggles. I'm sending these right here, bro. I got you. I got 8 pounds in the freezer. I'm good. Okay, I'm good. I live here. I can do it. My G, I got you right here, bro. Okay. Let's see what we're going to do here. Let's go around to the bottom of it. What we got? Right there. I guess that's where I'm going to cut it. There we go. Oh, Chef. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Right species. There you go. There's a log down there it was coming off of. Let's go. It'll work. Load up my little basket here. And then we'll get back to it.